Hi everyone, so this is the effect that we are going to create today. We are going to provide the outline of our image or any other image that you want. Here are some steps that I'm going to tell you. So let's start this tutorial. So for creating this effect, just click on this create a design and write on poster here. We required area to create that effect. So I have written poster here, click on poster landscape. So this is the blank area that we have and you have to upload one image. I have already one image in my upload section. If you don't have, you have to download that image from Google. So you can upload your own picture also. So I have one picture. There is a picture of a girl. So this is my picture and I have to remove the background of this image. As I am not using the pro version of Canva, so I will remove the background of this image by using any other option that is available in Google. Open Google and then write down remove background. An official website www.remove.bg that will open up. Just click on this link and now you have to upload your image. So I'm uploading by clicking on this option. So this is my image and I'm going to open this. So by this way I can remove the background of my image and now you have to download that image. I have downloaded that image. Now go to your Canva screen and now upload this image that you have downloaded right now in the upload section. See, this is my image. Now I will give outline effect to this image. First I am changing the background color of this picture and I'm increasing the size of this picture like this. And now I will click on this edit photo and click on shadows and then click on outline. This way you can provide the outline to your photo. I want to change the color of this outline. Just click on this black color that is under the outline tab and change the color as white. And if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size of the outline like this. This way you can increase. If you want to give the blur effect, you can give the blur effect like this. This way you can give the blur effect. Right now I'm not using the blur effect, and this is the distance of the object with the outline. So you can increase the distance. By this way also you can create any effect. So I think this effect is clear to you. And now you can place your picture by increasing the size, and you can, or by, if you want to decrease the size of your image, you can decrease the size of your image like this. If you want to duplicate your image, you can duplicate and you can increase the size of your second image. You can animate, you can create any effect that you want.